Alright, so the motor is in right now. I didn't bolt it down yet. It's still loose. I'm going to put 2 nuts from each side to hold the mounts in place. Now what we're doing right here is we're replacing the clutch. So I could reuse the flywheel that was resurfaceable. I just got to clean it up. It's a little bit dirt, but we could use the flywheel. I got a new Nismo clutch cover. Pretty cool. Comes with a certificate for it and the Japanese instructions. Now I do see some numbers here, torque numbers, but I'm just gonna make sure and double check online with an English version just to make sure I'm reading the right thing. Same thing with the clutch disc itself, the Nismo 3100 RS240. That's a super coppermix single disc. Same thing here, comes with a certificate and instructions in Japanese. Now here on the manual it says 30-20-10, but it doesn't say 30-100, so I'm gonna have to find that online and see what the specs are. Also for the tranny, we have a new fork, a new slave, a new throw rod bearing. We're just gonna put that in, install it, install the clutch, and pretty much start closing up everything. So she's almost ready to go. Just the final touches, and that'll be it. Alright, flywheel's in, torque to the spec is anywhere from 105 to 115, I think, or 112. I just went 110 to be in the middle range. It's all 10. I'm gonna install the clutch disc, the clutch cover. I'm gonna put the tranny in, connect the drive shaft, connect all these wires, sensors, O2 sensors, exhaust, and then just hopefully fill it up, and she runs with no issues. Alright, so the clutch is in, clutch cover is in, flywheel, everything is bolted in, torque to spec, and I'm going to put the tranny in now. Use the tranny jack. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put our injectors. So I did end up getting 6 new injectors. I'm just gonna need one of them because, as you remember from the last video, we were trying to rebuild the injectors, and one of them ended up being a big head for some reason. So I got one from here, and we're gonna rebuild it as well, and that should be it. So right now we have all injectors rebuilt. What we're going to do is start installing it one by one. Make sure you clean up all the hole where it's going to go in. And then there are some seals that go under the injector. Anytime you're installing any sort of seal, you want to make sure you just lube up the O-ring so it goes in smooth with no issues. So we're going to put this in the rails. That's one. Alright, so I just pulled out a fuel filter right here. It's located right beside the intake manifold on the strut brace. And you could use this from Infinity G70, I believe. I'm going to put the part number down, and it's exactly the same. So that should work for us. So usually there's a clamp for it that goes here. I'm going to put that after. For now I'm going to install the bottom line first. So that's in. I'm going to install the top feed line, which goes into the rail, and that should be it for this. Fast forward, everything is in already. We just filled up the oil. We built up pressure by just cranking it without starting. I disconnected the injectors. And we got almost a 3 bar oil pressure, so that's good. We're gonna go ahead and give it the first crank right now, the first start, and see how it is. Hopefully everything goes well.